What's up, YouTube? Today I have the 2011 We the People Justice. Got it a couple days ago, 4 or 5 days ago. Really nice bike. Start off the top and go down. Got salt grips. I cut the flanges off. Flanges, whatever you want to call them. Donuts, whatever. Everything's stock on here. I ordered some parts today. So, yeah, so up top we got, I think everything on this bike's salt. I'm not sure. So, salt grips. I think salt handlebars. Got salt brake lever. I like it. Black brake lever. Got salt stem. Salt tire, hub, rim. Everything on this bike's basically salt. Salt. Yeah. Basically the whole thing's salt. Really nice bike. Red rim, got 2000, yeah. Didn't have no problems with the bike yet. Wish the hub was a little tiny louder, but who cares how loud the hub is? As long as it's a good bike and everything. So yeah, I'll give you hub sound, because I know a lot of people want to hear the hub. This is a stock hub, it's not even loud. Yeah, so nice bike. Salt cranks, but getting pedals, new grips. I don't know, these grips are nice. New brake wire, whatever, cable. New chain, red chain. So yeah, thanks for watching.